And now, your favorite man, Nico the Informationator!
Hey guys, it's me, Nico the Informationator, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the 9 bestest sound effects in the world. Now these, I don't know if they're like the best sound effects ever, but I'm going to do 9 sound effects. 9. Just 9. I mean, like, whoa! How can you possibly do them all? I'm going to show you. This is basically not how to do. I'm just going to, like, do it for those of you who really like sound effects. If those of you who are watching this video and you really want to watch it and you really love sound effects, you'll be like, woohoo! Or whatever. Whatever you think of. But anyway, number 1, the applause sound effect. Number 2, the bark sound effect. Number 3, the waterfall sound effects. Number 4, the review sound effect. Number 4, the review sound effect. Number 4, the review sound effect. Anyway, guys, that's number 4. Just 5 more. Hey, that rhymes. Number 5, the doorbell ring. Number 6, the tick-tock. Number 7, the ultimate the booing crowd. Number 8, the amazing comedy whistle. And number 9, the space chart. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this lovely video of 9 sound effects. Well, if you're a boy, don't judge me, man. If you're a girl watching this, don't judge me, ma'am. Okay, anyway, guys, that is going to be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching!